Hey guys, it's More Pinos again, and today I got another NBA 2K14 MyTeam pack opening for you guys. So, I am a bit sick today, so my voice is kind of weird, so excuse me for that. And I got a new MyTeam video coming up in a few days. It's a really epic game with me and Sponge. So yeah, so stay tuned for that. It's gonna be up in a few days. And so let's get this started. So as you guys can see, I'm in the 5th seed. It's hard to get some W's in the 5th seed. There's too much people that have Kobe, Kevin Durant, and LeBron. I don't know. Should I keep opening gold pluses or gold historics? Tell me down in the comment down below, because I don't really know. Because gold pluses are beasts. You could get like modern day players, which are like KD and like LeBron, and they're like more rated and much better than the old people. Like they're more overrated, so they're like more rated up. We get Zach Randolph. And I did take the suggestion of one of you guys said, one of you guys said that I should just do a pack opening, and then like not to sell the players during the video, just sell them in your next pack opening, so you don't have to keep saving up. So that's what I'm gonna do. Let's go ahead and open a gold plus. There is a chance of me getting like a LeBron or something. Who do we get? We get Luol Deng. If this pack opening doesn't get become interesting, I'm just gonna go ahead and sell those players. Come on, gold historic, back to gold historic. Come on, give me someone good. Come on, Marcin Gortat. Wow, Marcin Gortat. At least we still get our VC back, I think let's go ahead and sell Luol Deng, because we don't want him in our team. Luol Deng, Luol Deng. Okay. Let's go back to gold historic. Okay, come on. On 2K, give me someone good. Bob Dandridge again. We already got Bob Dandridge, so we gotta duplicate Bob Dandridge. We don't want that. And we actually do need signature skills, because I'm looking for signature skills, because I don't have no more finishers, because I ended up selling them like when I was back in the 9th seed, because I didn't really know what signature skills were, and they would like gave me like so much VC, so I decided to sell them back before, and I regret doing that. Who do we get? Andrew Bogut. I think I'm gonna go ahead and sell the players I just got. The other players I just got, like Zach Randolph, Marcin Gortat, and Andrew Bogut. I'm gonna go ahead and sell them, so we could, get our VC back and get this pack opening interesting, and hope we get a really good legend. Come on, 2K. Don't school me today. We need really good historic players. Come on, 2K. Who do you get? Wow. Not a lot of people. I've never seen anyone actually have Bob Dandridge in the team. Because Bob Dandridge is not a really good legend, I think. But that's really shocking though, because getting Bob Dandridge twice in a row is actually shocking, because he's actually rare, because not a lot of people have him. Andre Iguodala. Look, Iggy. We get Iggy. I think I already have Iggy, don't I? I think I already have Iggy. Yeah, I have Iggy. I don't know, why is Iggy only 4K? Is he injured or something? Because I don't know. If we get Bob Dandridge in this pack, I'm gonna be so disappointed. Mom, Don't pop up Chris Bosh. Okay, I'll take him. I think he's 10k or 11k. And we still get our VC back. Yeah, he's 10k, yeah. Yeah, we still get our VC back. Okay, let's open another goal historic. Come on, 2k, give me someone good. We get Manu Ginobili. Okay. Okay. That was... I think we're gonna go ahead and sell the other players. Let's go ahead and sell Manu Ginobili or someone. Here's Bosh. Let's go ahead and booster. Let's go ahead and open another gold historic. Come on, 2k. You gotta give me someone good in this pack opening. Who do we get? Drew Holiday. Drew Holiday. Gotta be kidding me, 2k. You're really giving me Drew Holiday. That means I need to sell Manu Ginobili then. And some of you guys have been wondering when am I gonna get the PS4. I don't really know when I'm gonna get the PS4. Cause I think I'm gonna stick with PS3 for a while and then go with PS4. Cause I still need to get an Elgato PVR. So that's what I'm saving up for. We get Jerry Lucas. Wow, okay. Let's just go ahead and check out his stats. I've seen a lot of people have Jerry Lucas. I think he's got a mid. I think he's got a really good mid. So let's go ahead and check his stats. Where's Jerry Lucas? Jerry Lucas, where are you? Lucas. Yo, let's go gold. Where is Jerry Lucas? Do you guys want to see my collection? Okay, David Robinson, Gary Payton. Where's Jerry? No, Jerry Lucas is back here. That is not good. So he's a power forward center, 6'8". He's 75 mid, 83 3. Show you guys his stats there. 50 dunk, not really good. 90 defensive rebound, 92 defensive rebound, 45 vertical. Post fadeaway 77, post soak is 70, consistency 85. Okay, I don't think I'm gonna keep him in my team at all. But I'm not gonna sell him though. Well, okay. So that wasn't really interesting. We only got Bob Dandridge and Jerry Lucas for our historic players. So, tell me down in the description down below which you guys want. Which pack should I open? Gold Plus or Gold Historic? Tell me down in the description down below which one I should open. And if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Peace.